We're going to be drawing the mouth by envisioning the planes that make up the mouth. You're going to start by drawing the line that indicates the space between the top and bottom lips and the center of the lips. When you draw the Cupid's bow and the bottom of the lip, they'll be parallel to each other, which will help you to begin to lay in the pillow forms or planes that form the lips. There are 5 major planes. Use simple shapes to reference these planes. And when you draw the line between the upper and lower lip, make sure you follow the curves using those shapes. Plan your highlights and shadows on your lips by thinking of the planes as spheres. You'll place your highlights and shadows in a pattern of light to dark, which may shift depending on where your light source is coming from. Place darker shadows where forms underlap. The crease under the bottom lip and between the top and bottom lips and in the corners of the mouth will contain the darkest shadows. I am drawing this digitally with an app called Procreate, but if you're using pencil or pen, try layering them to achieve richer shadows that have more depth. As you're layering shadows, don't forget to lift out highlights. Remember that the top lip is overcast over the bottom lip, so the bottom lip should be a little bit lighter. Here I'm just adding some final texture and highlights to the lips. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Please comment below, like and subscribe.